Alright, so what we've got here is the Ridgid R4512, I guess it's called hybrid table saw. So big problem with these things apparently is getting this riving knife to stay in. And it goes down. It's been so long since mine's been in. It goes down right there. But this thing is extremely hard to push in, or push down once you get the riving knife in. So I looked up on the YouTube and found out that there's a couple things that you could loosen, but you have to take this panel off. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do. See if we can't get this knife back in. So here we go. Probably should clean out in there too, huh? Can do that right now. Dang. Nasty. Alright, all cleaned up, or at least good enough. So I think I see what he's talking about. There's a bolt right there. And the nut for that bolt is right in there. So I think I can just grab both sides and loosen that, and then try to get the riving knife in. So let me size those up. Okay, it looks to be half an inch. Half an inch nut, half inch bolt. So this is what I'm going to use. Thought it'd probably be good to show how hard this is to push down. So of course it goes in easy enough, wherever you want it to go. But right about there, it starts getting hard. Look how, I mean, it's still got to go another 45 degrees, I guess. Maybe less, maybe a little more, but I mean, it's hard right there. And so with enough force, I've got a hammer on it with a piece of wood, but I don't know, I just don't see that being a good idea. So I'm going to try to loosen this up a little and see if that helps. Okay. I think the guy said don't move it too much, and I guess over time what happens is as you're tightening the riving knife down, the bolt gets tighter, the nut gets tighter. So let's see if that did. Oh yeah, and what did I do? Tightened it too much. So let's come back the other way. Wish I could find that guy on YouTube and give him some props, because a lot of people were asking about this. Yeah, that's going to be perfect. Alright, so here's what we got now. And it's locked. Man, that makes me happy. I've been putting that off for a really long time. So now I can be halfway safe again. So I'm not going to bother with showing the putting the panel back on, but that's it. Half inch nut, half inch bolt. Loosen it up. Not too much, but you're good to go after that. Alright, until next time. See you, bye.